Here's how to create scannable QR code using AI. It's very easy to do, so make sure you watch the full video so you don't miss any important steps. For this, first of all, you need to go to Quick QR Art website. After that, here click on Join Beta Now option. Then it will open up this page. Now you need to open Pixel ML bot from the sidebar. After that, here type / and then select blend. Now here you need to upload two images. One is the base image and other one is the QR code. So first of all, we will upload base image. For this you need to click on it and then from here select your base image that you want to upload. Now here, as you can see, our base image has been uploaded. Once you upload your base image, then you need to upload the QR code. So here click on it and after that you need to select the QR code from your PC. Then after selecting the image, you need to give it a prompt according to your image. As I am typing here flowers in yellow color, you can write it according to your image and then after that hit the enter on your keyboard. After that your QR code will start to generate. Wait for a while until it is processing. So now here, as you can see, our QR code has been generated. If you also want to generate the QR code like this, then click on the link in the description and then you will be able to generate the scannable QR codes. You can download it by clicking on this and then right click on it to save the image. So this was how to generate scannable QR codes using AI.